I want to give you guys my honest opinion on the market right now. And I think there's a lot of news out there. Trump is closing the Strait of Hormuz. Iran is closing the Strait of Hormuz. We don't know exactly what's going to happen. But I think as investors, what we need to think to ourselves is, first of all, what is our timeline? The companies that you're invested in, do you see them doing well within the next 3 to 5 years? If so, continue with your plan. Continue to dollar cost average into those investments and continue to just build your conviction in those companies. The second thing is, if you have an ETF strategy, for example, buying the S&P 500, say you're putting $50 in a month, continue with your strategy. Don't let the short-term noise affect your decision making. And I think when you have more of a longer term view, you don't let it get to you, because this happened last year also in a different way. When Trump announced his tariffs, the market went down and then it ended up recovering. Now we have this Middle East war with Iran. Oil is spiking and the market went down a bit. At the time of shooting this, the market has recovered a bit from it. I think people are expecting there to be a peace deal between the two countries, the US and Iran. But what I want to reassure everyone is that if you are dollar cost averaging into your ETFs, you should most likely continue with that. Again, this is just my opinion. I'm not giving advice. I think if you set up or set out an investment strategy, you should stick to it. And historically speaking, the market has always recovered. So don't let this news get to you. Don't let don't catch yourself trying to time the market, because no one could really time the market. I think the best thing to do is dollar cost average into specific investments or specific ETFs that you have determined are right for your portfolio, and just continue with your plan. And there is, it's probably going to continue. There's going to be more back and forth. There's going to be more news. People are expecting oil prices to continue going up. And I'm not saying that it won't affect the economy and the market, because it will. And higher oil prices will lead to higher costs for businesses, more inflation, which is the fears right now. But if you have a longer time horizon and a longer term mindset, then these short-term fluctuations don't necessarily make it or break it for you. And you could actually look at them as opportunities to buy assets at a lower price, opportunities to dollar cost average into your ETFs. And I just wanted to come on here and give my opinion. At the end of the day, this is not financial advice. I am just trying to give you my honest opinion on investing. And I think sometimes we get consumed on the news or certain headlines, and we lose sight of the bigger picture. So again, not financial advice. If you like these type of videos, please comment if you have any questions, and we'll see you guys in the next one.